Hello friends, welcome to my channel SolidWorks tutorial. Today we gonna solve the exercise number 55. This is a SolidWorks 2020 tutorial for beginners. This is a pretty simple SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. In this SolidWorks tutorial, I will teach you part modeling, and later on we will learn SolidWorks surfacing, assembly, and drawing. Hope you will stay connected with us for getting all those interesting tutorials. In this video you will learn the use of various SolidWorks tools like, line command, smart dimension, extrude boss command, extrude cut command, and offset command. We will use only two sketches, one extrude boss, and one extrude cut command for completing the SolidWorks tutorial. First, we gonna sketch the right side view of the part, and then extrude. Then we will remove the middle portion. For doing that we will sketch that area on the top plane, and extrude cut for completing today's SolidWorks 2020 video tutorial. Hope you will stay with us throughout the tutorial and become a SolidWorks 2020 Pro designer.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, then choose your desired material. Left-click on right plane and select Sketch.
Now take the line command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Height is 15 millimeters. Distance is 50 millimeters. Height is 50 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined. Press OK.
Width is 100 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction.
Press OK.
Now we will remove this area from the body. Right-click on the top plane and select Sketch. We will sketch the left side of the sketch and then mirror it.
Now take the line command.
Take center line command and draw lines like this.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 60 millimeters. Distance is 15 millimeters.
Press OK.
Take Mirror Entities command. Select these items as mirror entity. Mirror about this axis.
Press OK.
From featured menu select Extrude Cut command. Reverse direction. Select Offset. Offset distance is 15 mm. Select Up to Next.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select Isometric View.
Congratulations.
This is the part which we were trying to build. Make this speed 3x. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Now select Play from Start. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.